Okay children, now we are going to see about 5th standard maths, unit 1, geometry. This is for the second term we are starting now. Already the first term we have completed and you have written the examination also. All the children have done their examinations very well. Like that, you have to continue this the second term and do your exams best children. And ask your parents to get the books children. You have to pay the fees. Last time you have paid the fees and get the books, no? Like that, you ask your parents to pay the fees and get the books and go through the maths, because we'll get, after this second term, fully exam will be conducted. So go through this lesson, keep your books. Okay. Now in this first unit, we are going to see about the geometry. In this geometry, this is just a recall. First point, you are going to see about, already we have learned this point, then line segment and ray. Line segment and ray. So this only we are going to see. It's just a one word. Point, line segment and ray. What do you mean by the point? This is the point. This is the point. So a point is an exact position on a plane surface or a plane place, that is in a plain paper. We put one dot, that is the point. So point is an exact position. A point is an exact position on a plane surface. Exact position on a plane surface. This is the point. The next one is about the line. So line also you might have known. This line is, a line is a set of points. Okay, set of points means you have one point and you have one point. A line is a set of points. In a straight path. Straight only it will go in a straight path that extends in opposite direction. Extends in opposite direction. So when you are putting the line, after finish the writing the answers, we will put the line here. So a line is a set of points. 2 points are there. It's a set of points in a straight path. It's not going to bend or anything crooked. It goes in a straight path that extends in opposite direction. We are starting from here and it moves in the opposite directions without ending. It goes on. If I put the dot and put the line like this, it will go down till the end of the board. That is without ending. It goes out on the opposite direction. That is the line. Our next one is line segment. Line segment is, what do you mean by the line segment? A line segment is a part of the line. The line segment is a part of a line. So, that's line oda part da. A line segment is a part of the line. Is a part of the line. Between two endpoints. Between two endpoints. Okay, so what do you mean by the line segment? A line segment is a part of the line. That is also the part of the line between the two endpoints. Two endpoints, here one point and here one point. So the endpoint naduvula varudhu, this is the line segment. Okay. And what do you mean by the ray? What do you mean by the ray? Ray is this is the ray. A ray is also a part of a line that has one point. A ray is a part of the line. Is a part of a line that has one end point. Ray that has one endpoint. And extends in one direction. And extends in one direction. In one direction without ending. Without ending. So, a ray is a part of the line. Ray is also the part of the line. That has only one endpoint, right? Will have one endpoint and extends in one direction. Extends in one direction without ending or முடிவே இல்லாம it will goes on continuing. So, what do you mean by the point? A point is an exact position on a plane surface. What do you mean by the line? A line is a set of points in a straight path that extends in opposite direction. Extends in opposite direction without ending. Without ending. And the next one is line segment. Or line segment is a part of the line segment is a part of a line. Line segment is a part of the line between the two endpoints. This is the line segment, part of the line between the two endpoints. Okay. And ray. What do you mean by the ray? A ray is a part of the line that has one endpoint and extends in one direction without ending. So these are the point, line segment and ray. Now we are going to see the types of angles. What are the different types of angles are there? What are the different types of angles? So different types of angles are types of angles. Types of angles. What are the types of angles? See, this is the zero angle. This is zero angle equal to 0 degree. Okay, this is the zero angle. And this is acute angle. Chinnada, the mouth on the small, it's opening in a small way. This is the acute angle between 0 degree to 90 degree. 0 to the 90 degrees acute angle. And this one is right angle, 90 degree. Straight arc, L mare, this is right angle, 90 degree. Then obtuse angle, if outer side la broad varudhu, this is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. This is 90 degree kulla varadala 1 lende 90 degree kulla varadala 10 20 40 50 60 70 80 90. Obtuse angle is 90 ke mela 90 100 110 120 like that till 180 degree is the obtuse angle. And next one is the straight angle, that is 180 degree. This is the straight angle. These are the types of angle. Straight angle is 180 degree. Okay, so what are the types of angle? Zero angle is equal to 0 degree. Acute angle 0 to 90 degree. Right angle is 90 degree. And obtuse angle 90 to 180 degree. And straight angle is 180 degree. So these are the 5 types of angles. Okay, now we will move on to the next one. Page number 2. In this, we are going to see about take the alternative, correct alternative. Here they are given the diagram, semicircle like this, and in this C and D. So here they are given the shortest distance between the point C and D is the segment CD or the curve CD. They are given the choice. Here they are given the answer is curve CD. Curve is the CD, not a segment CD. And second one is they are given the line. So line, this is P and this is Q. So they are given the line PQ and QP represent the different lines, the same line. They are given the option different line or same line. So we have to answer same lines. The line P and Q is the same line. Then third one. Point C lies on the ray AB. Here they are given like this. This is A and this is C and this is B and this is D. So in the ray, point C lies on the ray AB on the ray BD. So point C lies on the, this is the ray, lies on the ray between A and B. The answer is ray AB. அவங்க கேட்டது ray AB இல்ல B and D. AB க்கு நடுவுல தான் C இருக்கு. So you can write the answer ray AB. And fourth one is segment. This is the line segment. This is M and this is N. They are given the question segment MN as an infinite or finite length. இது முடிச்சு போச்சு இல்லையா? So that is finite length. This is the finite length. And fifth one, ray RT. இங்க வந்து T and this is the R. So they given ray RT is a part, is not a part, is a part. Ray RT is a part of the line. Part of the line TR. Okay. So this is the answer in your book. So get your book, students, so that you can easily understand everything. Okay, can you understand? So CD, the curve CD, this is they are given the options, and PQ, that is the same line, and AB is the ray that is in between the C, and MN is the finite length, and TR is a part of the line. RT is a part of the line TR. Okay. Now we will move on to the next one, complementary angles and supplementary angles. Complementary angles and supplementary angles. Now we will see one by one. You are going to see the complementary angles and the supplementary angles. What do you mean by the complementary angles? In the sum of the measures of the two angles is 90 degree. The pair of the angles are called complementary angles. If we add sum not to, when the complementary angle means what? When the sum of the two angles and the sum na add panna rendu number add panna sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree. Pair of angles are called complementary angles. Okay, what do you mean by the complementary angles? When the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree. Sumna add பண்ணணும், ரெண்டு நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணும்போது அதோட இது 90க்கு கீழே வந்ததுன்னா that is the complementary angle. 45 degree plus 35 degree. So how much you will get? 45 plus 35. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry over 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 8. So 80 degree. So this is the complementary angle. Okay, yeah, 90 degree ki keela irundha complementary angle. When the sum is more than the 90 degree ki mele irundha, that is called the supplementary angle. 180 degree. Okay, when the sum of the measure of the two angle is 90 degree, the pair of the angles are called complementary angles. Suppose supplementary angle is when the sum of the two measures of the angle is 180 degree, that is called the supplementary angles. What do you mean by the supplementary angles? Supplementary angles. When the sum of the measures of the angles, two angle is 180 degree. The pair of angles, so 180 degree vandal, the pair of angles are called supplementary angles. So supplementary angles. What do you mean by the supplementary angles? When the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, the pair of angles are called supplementary angles. So complementary na 90 degree ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Complementary angle means 90 degree. Supplementary angle (180 degree). Okay, so complementary is 90 degree and the supplementary is 180 degree. Okay, now exercise number 1.1, page number 3. You will see the exercises now. Exercise number 1.1. Write the measures of the complementary angles. Write the measures of the complementary angle. Na 90 degree I said, no. So you have to minus the given number by 90 degree. Complementary angles of the following measures. They are given the numbers. Following angles. So one sum I will do and remaining sum I will give it as a homework, children. So we have to write the measure of the complementary angles of the following angles. Here they are given the 45 degree. So complementary angle means what? We have to minus 90 degree. So 90 minus 45, that is equal to 45 degree. Then second sum 30 degree. They are given 30 degree. So 90 minus 30, that is equal to 60 degree. So complementary angles na kuduthirka number la 90 you have to minus it. Okay, I'll give the homework. So do this 72 degree, then fourth sum 88 degree, then fifth sum 38 degree. So this is the homework. Okay children.